This is TWMC. As you can see, it gapped up. This is a screenshot, by the way. Gapped up from the 250 towards, what is this, 2 right here. It ramped, straight down, and I bought into the ramp. Boom, boom. Profit 99.88. Trading book 12:01 p.m. Central Time. I'm looking at TWMC gapped up this morning from 2.38 ish to high 972. Started to draw some lines. Yeah, these right here. Going to buy at 68, 680. Buying 103 shares. Dollar amount risking 700.4. Risk reward. First risk 670. So if it broke down 670, I would cut it. That's 10 cents, 1%, and that's dollar amount risking 690.10. And the reward, which was 771, about 90 cents, 12%, 794 and 13 cents. That's dollar amount risking. Sold to TWMC at 7.77. Profit of 99.88. Really happy on this trade. Yeah, so I was really happy on this trade. My first ever, almost 90% profit, or $90 profit, almost 100. But let's look at it at time now. TWMC on the 23rd. Yeah, so I bought it this day right here. Let's zoom in. At what time? 13:01. So which is that's the same chart I showed you before, but this is now in retrospect. Again, bought at 13.12 and bought at 680. Right there. Sold at 777. Good luck. You know, I was just like, why not? I thought it was gonna take me above 100, but I guess not. So I could have sold at like the 7.80. I think that's the highest I went. But yeah. So I just bought the ramp on the first one, second one, and the third one gapped up about 25%. So, and then I will try it again. So I bought the bottom. You usually don't learn so much about when you win, because when this was happening, it just happened, you know. But when you lose, you know, like every little thing. Show you the one I lost today. That was OBCI. So this is one I lost today. So I guess stay humble to the market and don't buy into down ramps, because it bounced one over here. Look at that. What was that? 33%. And then again today, gapped up 49. even higher, probably like 60, like 60, about 60 gapped up. And then you could about the bounce right here. Yeah, so for that one, so my prediction, I was like buy at 418 for ramp up. Yeah, so I thought it was gonna, I thought I guess buying it on the dip. I bought at 418, 168 shares. So dollar amount risking is 702 and 24 cents. Risk for 10 of 8 cents of negative 1.9%. Dollar amount risking 688.80, which is 13.44. My reward was to sell at 468, 50 cent up, 12%. $7 amount risking is 786.24, so a $84 profit. So it's time 118. So that's 13.18. So right when I bought it, just boop. If stock doesn't get executed by 125, I will cancel it. So it got executed a little after I placed my order. I got filled at 13.15. Yeah. So lost 13.49 on OBCI. Did not see past performance. This stock runs in the mornings and then fades down afternoons because bounce was right here too early in the morning. I was up at that time, but I wasn't necessarily looking at this stock. Afternoon overall trade. I rated this stock 4 stars out of 10. Could have been patient, waited for something better, something I could improve now and later. Don't rush to look for plays. Be patient, more range. Yeah, so I guess with looking at uh, TWMC, the one I last traded, I thought it was going to be an afternoon gap up, but I guess this stock wasn't it. TWMC. Yeah, this is much in a bigger scale, I guess. Yeah, but this is what I was talking about, like the afternoon gap up right there. And let's look at intraday. Yeah, so I thought it would be gapping up again at this time over here, and I guess not. 15 minutes before market closes, look for a stock to hold overnight.